This conference.
You can see my screen. You need
Yes,
to
ma'am.
go to View
Can
tab.
you increase the size, ma'am?
View, view tab. Under that you'll have Show. Here you have this formula bar. Hide
View tab
Show.
and ma'am?
View tab. In that you have Show. In that formula bar.
Show form.
This
One
is
sec, ma'am.
this is what you're talking about, right?
Yes, ma'am. I got it. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. One second. Just a second. Um, I want you to type data for next topic. So I'll just I was thinking if I will send you a workbook through WhatsApp, you will open WhatsApp web and open that on the on your laptops
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
instead of wasting time you typing. We can do this. Okay. I will send.
Ma'am, can you repeat it once again, ma'am?
I did not explain anything. Only to repeat. Wait. I was telling I'll send one file. You can just download that and copy paste that. But you have to copy paste the data in your today date sheet. Okay, class. Please take the file, download it fast, download it and put that in your Excel sheet. Copy and paste it. This data you must have. And just adjust the rows and columns. Done, everyone? One or two can just,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, okay. So, one, this I have wanted. Um, Aditi is there? Aditi, what is your full name? Aditi is not there. So I had that during the attendance, and one more was Maria. Mm,
Yes,
Maria
ma'am.
is there. Your T, Maria. Maria T.
Maria Rachel T, ma'am.
That's what was. Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
And one more was M. Two entries were there. Sohana. Sohana M or what's your name? Sohana.
Yes, ma'am.
Sohana M only, yeah?
Yes, Shahana Mukherjee.
Correct. But you were doing, I mean, you had two logins, Suhana M and Suhana Mukherjee. So I had that confusion if there are two different people. Both were you
Oh,
only, or there is any other Suhana M?
no, ma'am. I think both were me by mistake.
Yeah, but 3 4 days it was there. 2 days, 3 days it was there. So I wanted to clarify. Okay, no issues. Okay, now what you do is you select the data. Okay, pivot table is an important part in Excel. Why is that so? So, for example, this is a very small data of the example where I have all the details in one page. Most of, like, I'm just giving you this example, but I uh, more, I mean, I wanted something like, I don't want all this data all the time. So at that time, we did filter yesterday. Like that only, we will be filtering the columns according to the requirement. That is, we can arrange the tables as we want. This table will be there. We'll be creating different tables, different filtering, different options with pivot. So we'll select the data, pivot table. So this is the data. You have two options, new worksheet. That means the pivot will come in a new worksheet, or existing worksheet means wherever you want to. If it is existing worksheet, you have to give this location, means where you want the pivot table to appear. Okay, you will click any of the cell like this, then there the pivot table will apply. But I want you to do it in a new sheet. That will take a new sheet, so that this will be today date sheet only. We'll do okay. So to your right, what you have got is the pivot table fields. So in this field, we will be all the headings what we have there in the sheet will be there in this particular sheet. Now, in these heading, it is not compulsory that you will require all the headings. I told you to analyze different types of data, so to analyze one different columns in the data in different ways. We'll use the um, table. So this field is where we will be working to. So one option you have, you just click. When we click on this option, see, you get this. Or for example, now salary, I want it in value. So you have four fields here. One is the filter. Filter is whatever it did yesterday, similar. Column, that is, it comes in column wise. Rows, rows wise. Value means it will add. Usually when we have numbers, we put them in value. Click and drag
Ma'am,
and drop it. See? Hmm.
ma'am, ma'am,
Tell
actually
me.
I don't have the analyze on my tabs, ma'am. What do I do?
What is happening?
Ma'am, actually I don't have the analyze tab on my sheet.
This, this, why so? No,
Ma'am,
you don't
even
have
I
to.
don't have it.
Wait, don't analyze tab won't be there. You concentrate only on pivot table field now. Analyze tab, I will come there. Don't worry, we are not working on tabs now. We are working on the field. This analyze tab even I will not have when I click outside. See, I will click on the pivot table, I will get analyze tab. See, where is the analyze tab? So these tabs are for individual times. Like when we go to pictures, when we go to tables, we get different tabs there. Okay. Yes, no.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you click on the pivot table, you get the pivot table field. Same way. Now I want the address. So you can see here in the data, I have repeated some address. I've repeated the department. I've repeated the designations. Why? To give you this option for filter, so that I can show you the filter. Now address, I will click and drag drop in the filter. So you can see here, I want to see only people who are in Rajachinagar. Okay, see, I want to see only people who are in Jayanagar. Okay, you don't want it, select multiple Jayanagar and Rajachinagar. If you don't want it, you can just unclick on the fields like this. Like you don't want the filter at all. So you get back. That is gone. Same way you can put the departments in the columns. Okay. So this is the pivot table. When you get the pivot table, you get the analyze tab. Class, I want you to put the pivot table like the same way like I have put. The same pivot table. If you are not, please let me know. I'll help you. Okay. Done everyone. So now when you click on the pivot table, everyone has the analyze tab. The one who told analyze tab's not there. I couldn't track you. Who was that? You
Ma'am,
got it,
can you
Nina?
show this? Can you show the steps to insert the pivot table again?
Yeah. First you select the data, insert tab, you click on pivot table, you can select the new sheet, click on OK. You get a new sheet, then you get pivot table fields. When you click, just click, it automatically goes. Like if I say address, it'll go there, salary. So number values, it will go automatically. So you can do in different ways.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Mm, Ritika Gupta,
Yes, ma'am.
can you share your screen, do one pivot table and show
Yes,
me?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Class, I want you to do 5 different types of pivot tables. Okay, use the different this and do 5 pivot tables. All of you. One by one will show me here. The name I take, the others will do. Send a picture later.
Once we have done this, we have to select another table.
The one who's asking me this.
Ma'am Ritika, who's sharing the screen.
Yeah. Once you're done, you do again. Take the same data. Take you can put that in the same sheet, or you can put that in different sheets. Or what you can do is everyone do the 5 pivot tables in the same sheet. Okay, different locations you use. Do that in the same sheet and send me.
Ma'am, it's not allowing me to do it in the same sheet.
They do it in different sheets. You tried doing it in.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Tell
The Excel which I have is not supporting for this. I guess it's not
what is not
updated,
supported.
ma'am.
Okay.
The thing.
Was this the same girl talking? You can do it in different
No,
sheets if it's not
no,
allowing
ma'am.
you to do it
Like
in the,
this particular thing is not. I mean, I'm not able to press that insert button or.
you can share the screen. Show me.
Ma'am, could you allow me to share?
Yeah. What's your name?
Run
Ranvita.
the
No?
person. Yes, ma'am.
Good, Ritika. You can share Ranvita. Okay. Wait. Keep your cursor down. Keep it. Click it somewhere else. Just click somewhere else. Click on the cell. Okay. Now select the whole data. Don't click anywhere else. Just select the data. Go to Insert tab. What is the um, this showing on the title bar? What is the error showing you on the title bar? Please read what is there on the title bar. On your title bar. It shows pivot table then. What is this? Pivot book one you have opened. Read further. Dear, read. Ranvita. Read what is there on the pivot table. I'm not able to see. Pivot book one. After that, what is that? You're not audible. Class, you can hear or talk only me. What is that?
Ma'am, it says protected view.
What is it telling?
Protected view.
Okay, you have not enabled here. You have not enabled. You have to enable content. Close the file, open the file again. It will show you a view telling. See there, you can see there. Enable editing. Click on that. Click on enable editing. Click on that. Now you can share. Why is that I can't see her? I can't hear her talk. Okay. Akshita.
मैम
Yeah,
मैम
this is Akshita. I called out Akshita. Anyways,
सॉरी मैम
Akshita is not there.
Ma'am, I have a
Ex-
doubt.
Yeah,
Excuse
tell
me,
me.
ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, what am I supposed to do after clicking insert and then pivot
Hey,
table?
You stopped sharing your screen and you're asking me how will I know what you're doing?
No, ma'am. After selecting that, we have to go to insert, and
Click on
after that,
pivot table. That's all.
after that,
New
ma'am.
sheet and new sheet enter.
Okay.
Yes, sir,
I got
Aditya.
only the row names. I got only emp name.
Dear, that is what you are sharing your screen. I would able to see what you are doing. I would say
Yes.
that you are right or wrong, right?
Yes, ma'am, 1 minute.
Mm. Tell
Yes,
her,
ma'am.
Aditya.
Ma'am, when I choose department, it's coming under the names. It's not coming in different column.
You're just selecting on department or you're clicking and dragging on the field.
I'm just selecting the department on the right side pivot table
That is
fields. I'm just
that is what. So when you just select, it will take its own field. So if you have to
okay.
choose your field, you're supposed to click and drag and drop. When you click and drag and
Okay.
drop, then it will take you to the field you want. Huh.
Okay.
Now you have no Ranvita, you have all of that. Click on salary.
Yes.
Click on salary to your
Salary.
right.
Yes, ma'am.
See, it's
Yes.
come no. Now,
Ma'am, now
wait. Click on address. Don't leave the mouse. Click, drag and drop it in filter. Don't leave
ma'am,
the mouse.
can you
Click
share
on address. Click on address. Drag and drop it in the filter.
like this, ma'am?
See, not near the click. You should click near where you have the word address. Click and drop it in the filter.
Ma'am, is this correct?
You are not able to get me. Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Adrita, you can share.
This is what's happening with.
Yeah. Anybody else who can show?
Ma'am, should I
Ritu,
share?
you
Yes, ma'am.
already shared, no? Did you share your screen today?
Ma'am, yesterday I did.
Can I go,
No,
ma'am?
somebody. Oh, Sanjana. Okay. You have not
Yes,
shared,
ma'am.
not till now.
No, ma'am.
Do it.
Uh, Here's my pivot table, and this is my table. Ma'am, my employee ID is adding up, so What should I change it to?
You can go to, you can usually employee ID, we put them in row only below the
Okay.
employees. So we don't put them, that is adding because it is numbers. So it is
Huh.
automatically going. Adrita, you click and drag and drop. Okay. Class, why are you sending me pictures? I told you all five together you should send. One picture, what will I do? Adrita,
Excuse me, ma'am, it's in different sheets. How to show it in one picture?
that is what I told you. Put them all in one sheet.
But
And
that
you, mm,
option is not allowing him.
why is it not allowing you? Show me.
It's like,
Mm,
yes, ma'am, I'll just.
wait, let her finish. You can just. She's. Okay. Good, Sanjana. Mariana.
Yes, ma'am. Uh, Now I.
Select. Mm, not new sheet. Existing sheet.
One sec. Yes, ma'am, I got it, ma'am.
Okay. Class, I sent you an assignment, timetable assignment, which I want you to do before Monday's class. I'll just open that. I'll show you what exactly it is. Okay. Now you see here. So basically, this is a data of somewhere around 200 plus names. So this is the order ID. These are the products. Okay, and this is the categories we put under. This is the amount for it, date, and maybe the country we are importing or exporting, whatever. Just basic data. So to your right, okay, you have the table what you are supposed to do. Okay, what you will have to do, like how you will do with the table. Same way. Okay. You don't do with slices and all. I'll show you now anyhow. So you'll be able to do with all most of the assignments here. So this is the first okay, how you are supposed to insert this. So whatever the example is, see, I have given the example. So this example like this only I should get data from you. So that is the assignment. So one by one you also have questions here, like using these questions you do the pivot table. You have doubt, you can ask me one by one. You will
Ma'am, can you
do it.
repeat the assignment?
There is a sheet sent you that is regarding the pivot table. So there are few questions on the pivot table as well, and how I want the data to be. See, like this is the data I want. So to get this kind of uh, table, what you are supposed to do with the raw data. So that questions are here. You're supposed to read the question one by one question you do, you get the data. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
This is already sent in your WhatsApp group. Now you have okay. Now when I have a pivot table, analyze. So in the pivot table, you can change the name. Okay, the drop down you can group. Will not show you now. Later you can just okay. There is something called two more filters called slicer and timeline. You also have it here in the insert tab. Slicer timeline. Now what you do in the slicer is slicer. The word only says it will slice your data. So it is nothing but a filter type of filter. So click on insert slicer, whichever you want. Now I want the name. Wait, I don't know name. Address. And okay. Now see Vijayanagar, Rajajinagar, Jayanagar. See, one by one you will be able to see. Okay. You don't want it, close the cancel. You don't want this, only press delete. The slicer goes. You can also go for sure to use a slicer. Either you must have a pivot table or you must have a regular table, or else you will not be able to do it. See, click on slicer. So,
Excuse me, ma'am.
mm,
Where is the slicer option?
see, two side it will be, two option. One is in the insert tab you will have here, or if you click on the pivot tab, you will have analyze tab. In the analyze tab, you will have filter, slicer, timeline here. So two options are there where you can get a slicer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So insert slicer, you can insert multiple slices as well. Like for example, I will department, I will hold control, do both together I will take. So I've got two slices. So I want to know accounts, fresher. So nobody is there. HR, team lead. So one is there. Tech, team lead. One is there. So you will cancel. So I want accounts manager. So one is there. So that's how you can filter it, filter your data. This is slicer. Select it, press delete. Next, you have timeline. Timeline is to be inserted only when you have a pivot table and to be inserted only when you have date column in the data. Without a date column in the data, you will not be able to apply timeline. Timeline means only to play with the dates. So, a timeline. See here, as in slicer, everything was being shown, but in timeline only date of joining is shown because there is only one column with the dates in my whole data. So only that date is shown. Date of joining. Okay. See, August, September, October. So this is month wise. You want it yearly, you can do year wise. Quarterly, you can see the quarter wise. Days, you can do days wise. Okay, this is the filter timeline option. Please do it, class. Timeline. Timeline, and I have only 38 students today.
This conference will now be recorded.
Now go with some more assignments for the weekend for you. So you'll have pictures. Okay, these are similar which you have done in the presentations for your seminars and all. So you can add picture. Click on add picture. This device means offline pictures, then online pictures, the devices which are already, the pictures which are already there in your device, in your laptop. Click. Select insert. Reducing the size of the picture. Now, when you click on the pictures, you get format tab. So you have different formats for this picture. Okay, like you can remove the background. So some pictures will have different background, others images, so they will remove.
Ma'am, I
Okay, I
got
will discuss.
disconnected. Can you tell me how you got the image?
Insert tab, illustrations, pictures, this device. You select one picture from your laptop and add it here. And then you hit a format tab. Only when you click on the picture, see, I click outside, I don't have format tab. I click on the picture, I get the format tab. So you can remove background, same way you can do some corrections. You can do some corrections. Okay. You can give some color effects. Saturations, different colors. Have some artistic effects. Okay. Then you can compress your picture, like if you want to send it in, email it with the 96 ppi, so 96 pixels, you can compress your picture. Usually this is required when you are sending it to someone. So you can change the complete picture. You can reset the picture. So reset picture means first of the picture was like that, only it will become. And then you can give it different borders. Okay, you can color the borders like this. You can give some different picture effects, some shadows, some reflections, glow, glow effects, very light effects, but they will be seen. So three bevels, 3D rotations. Okay. Same way, what I will do is I will insert one more picture. So you can see here. So for this also you can do all the changes. Now this picture, the apple, so I will send it back. See, bring forward,
Ma'am, your
send
voice is
backward.
breaking, ma'am.
Now for everyone it's like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you're able to listen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So bring forward, send backward. Now I put one more picture through online. Online means through internet you will put it. Here you will select I'll do flowers. Select one, insert.
Ma'am, how do you share the picture?
I'm getting error, but you shouldn't get error. You go to illustrations, image, online picture. You'll have this Bing. Just type what you want. You get this picture. You're supposed to click on one picture. You get this tick mark and then click on insert. See here, got this picture. Same for this picture also. You can do all these things. Remove background, change, corrections, borders, everything you can do. Now you have something here called selection pane. How you did filters, the same filtering you do for pictures is the selection pane. Selection pane is the filtering for pictures. Like same way, show all, hide all. See, this is not deleted. You have all the pictures in your um, file, but you can show like deleted. Hide, show. Is this clear, everyone? Anyone have doubt
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
inserting picture? So you will insert 5 um, pictures from your desktop and 5 pictures online. Okay, change all the combinations, change the corrections, do this, put everything in one sheet, that is in today's date sheet, or take a new sheet, write it as pictures, name the sheet as pictures, and zoom it in, take a picture and send me. That is 5 pictures online and 5 pictures offline. So total 10 pictures in one sheet. Take a picture and send. Is that clear with
Excuse me,
everyone?
ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, how did you get the car picture from the online? Can you please show me once?
yeah, go to insert tab, illustrations, pictures. Under pictures, you must click on online pictures. Here you type car, bus, whatever. You get this picture. Click on the picture. Hey, that's a Mr. Bean car. Click on the picture. Click on insert.
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
Yeah.